David woke up feeling awful. His throat was scratchy and sore, and his head felt like it was pounding. He dragged himself out of bed and went to the bathroom. As he looked in the mirror, he noticed his eyes were puffy and red. The pain in his head wouldn't let him. Finally, he decided to get up and make himself some breakfast. While David was eating toast and tea, his phone rang. It was his friend Sarah. "Hi, Sarah," David answered, his voice raspy. "Hi, David. How are you doing?" Sarah asked. "Not so great," David admitted. "I woke up this morning feeling terrible. I think I have a cold." "Oh no, I'm so sorry to hear that," Sarah said sympathetically. "Get well soon." "Thanks, Sarah," David replied. "I think I'm going to call the clinic and make an appointment to see a doctor." "That's a good idea," Sarah agreed. "Is there anything I can do to help?" "Maybe you could bring me some soup and medicine later?" David asked hopefully. "Of course," Sarah replied. "Don't worry, I'll take care of you. Just rest and try to feel better." "Thanks, Sarah. You're a lifesaver," David said gratefully. After he hung up the phone, David called the clinic and made an appointment for later that afternoon. He spent the rest of the morning resting on the couch, drinking fluids, and watching TV. In the afternoon, Sarah arrived at David's apartment with a steaming pot of chicken soup and a box of over-the-counter cold medication. David was grateful for his friend's kindness.
Hi, how are you feeling today?
Not good. I think I might have a cold. I should probably make an appointment to see the doctor.
That's a good idea. Do you want me to help you find a clinic nearby?
Yes, please. That would be great.
No problem.